Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this Mario face. I'm going to model this Mario face in Blender. Mario, which is a game, old school Mario game I played in my childhood days. So let's create this face. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using. This was the reference I was using, and this is our model. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gaming videos of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.